So the Central State Hospital was created by an act of the state legislature back in 1839. The first patient arrived here in 1842, and ever since, this campus has been really the cornerstone of mental health care in the state of Georgia. At the peak of its operation in the 1960s, there were just shy of 13,000 patients being served here on this campus. Individuals would come here, they would stay here, some of them for the duration of their life. It wasn't until the 1940s and the 1950s, with the advancement of new drugs and medications, that many of these ailments were able to be treated in an outpatient care facility. So you have dozens of buildings here that were built specifically for the purpose of dormitory-style living for these patients. And now we're sitting on top of these buildings going, what do we do with them? The challenge for us is preserving as much of that history as possible while also redeveloping this campus to create new jobs. And we're very proud of what we've done here. The big vision for the campus moving forward is to make this the Georgia International Food Center, and that is anchored by food service partners. So most of the buildings that you see here in the historic quad will probably continue to be here. We have not had to tear down any buildings, and we hope to try to avoid that where possible. And the idea of a Renaissance Park comes from the Renaissance. The Renaissance is a period of time where we see this revival and this new discovery of old knowledge, established knowledge, and we wanted to carry that same spirit into this park. That's why we chose the phoenix as the symbol of this space, rising from the ashes. We really are doing our best to make sure that as much of this campus remains intact as is possible.